Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is Indian Army names firing range after which Bollywood actress? Answer is Vidya Balan. The Indian Army has named one of its firing ranges in Kashmir after Bollywood actress Vidya Balan. The Vidya Balan firing range is situated at Gulmarg in the Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir. The decision was taken in recognition of her contribution to Indian cinema. Earlier in the year, the actress and her husband Siddharth Roy Kapoor has attended the Gulmarg Winter Festival organized by the Indian Army. Number 2. Dash launches India's first UPI-based cashless parking. Answer is DMRC. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has launched India's first FASTag or Unified Payment Interface UPI PIN-based parking facility to reduce the time for entry and payment. The facility was launched at the Kashmir Gate metro station as part of the multi-modal integration initiative. Dedicated intermediate public transport lanes for autos, taxi and rickshaw were also inaugurated at the station. Number 3. Who has been awarded the prestigious Humboldt Research Award? Answer is Kaushik Basu. Indian economist Kaushik Basu has been awarded the Humboldt Research Award for Economics. The award was conferred on him by Professor Dr. Hans Bernd Schäfer of Bucerius Law School in Hamburg, Germany. A former chief economist of the World Bank, Basu is currently a professor of economics at Cornell University. He also served as the Government of India's Chief Economic Advisor from 2009 to 2012. Basu is also a recipient of the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award in India. Number 4. Dash to host 2022 Women's Asian Cup. Answer is Mumbai, Pune. Women's Asian Cup in India will be held in Mumbai and Pune after the Asian Football Confederation dropped Bhubaneswar and Ahmedabad as venues to minimize the travelling time for participants and ensure an optimum environment for a biosecure bubble. The Mumbai Football Arena at the Andheri Sports Complex, the Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex in Balewadi, Pune have been chosen as the new venues. Number 5. Former Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister who recently passes away. Birbhadra Singh. Senior Congress leader and former Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Birbhadra Singh has passes away. The veteran political was the fourth and longest serving Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. He served as the Chief Minister of the state 6 times from April 8, 1983 to March 5, 1990. December 3, 1993 to 23rd March 1998, 6th March 2003 to December 29, 2007, and then for the 6th time from December 25th, 2012 to December 26, 2017. Number 6. Indian Army inaugurated War Memorial of Dash. Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri. On the occasion of the birthday of Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri, who died during the Operation Virsa Munda in 1999, the Indian Army inaugurated a war memorial in memory of Captain in Gulmarg near the line of control. Lieutenant Colonel Tej Prakash Singh Suri, father of Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri, was also present on the occasion. Gurjinder Singh Suri was later awarded Mahavir Chakra Award. Number 7. Who takes charge as Director General of All India Radio? Answer is N. Venudha Reddy. N. Venudha Reddy, an Indian Information Service IIS officer of 1988 batch, took charge as Director General of All India Radio. Currently working as Principal DG of News Service Division, All India Radio, he was given additional charges of air upon the approval of the appointment committee of the cabinet. All India Radio official known since 1957 as Akashvani. Number 8. Olympic gold winning hockey legend who passes away. Answer is Keshav Dutt. Two-time Olympic gold medalist in hockey Keshav Dutt passed away. He was part of India's historic feat at the 1948 Olympic where they beat home team Britain 4-0 at the Wembley Stadium in London to win the first gold post-independence. Number 9. Who has been appointed as the Governor of Goa? Answer is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. P.S. Sridharan Pillai is an Indian political attorney and author who is currently serving as the 19th Governor of Goa State. Number 10, today's last question of the day. Bandaru Dattatreya has been appointed as the Governor of which state? Answer is Haryana. Bandaru Dattatreya is an Indian political serving as the current governor of the state of Haryana since 2021. He was the member of Lok Sabha for Sikandrabad from 2014 to 2019. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much. Bye.